stop using Viagra if you actually want to fix your erectile dysfunction forever. If your doctor has prescribed such medication to help you to last longer, or if you've been told that Viagra is the cure of your erectile dysfunction, and that's a lie. Because as a drug expert, I'm going to tell you the truth. You see, Viagra is only a temporary solution. That's why when you take it today, it helps you that very day once for some few hours. But what happens the next time that you want to have an affair with your partner? You have to take the drug again. And for some people, it doesn't even work. And they have to change the whole brand, or they have to take higher amount of the medication. And the danger, you see, the more you take the medication, the more the side effects you are going to experience. Talking about the pounding headaches, the blurred vision, the heart palpitations. And in the near future, if you don't take care, you will end up with heart attacks. And you know what? You see, the drug companies, they are not going to tell you that there is a particular ingredient which, when you take in, goes into your system down to the root cause of the problem, solve the problem, and fix your erectile dysfunction forever. But they are not going to tell you because they want more money. They want to keep you as a repeat customer. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal this particular substance that the drug companies are hiding from you, which works better than Viagra. I am Dr. Leon. Subscribe to the channel and let's move on. You see, the real reasons why you have erectile dysfunction in the first place, there are two. The first one is blood flow, which basically is the fact that enough blood is not getting to your penis, or when it does, it doesn't stay there for long. That's why for some people, they are able to get the erection, but they lose it quickly. The second reason has to do with hormones, testosterone. But for most men, when I see the results, usually the hormones are normal. So now the main focus becomes the blood flow. See, when you take your Viagra, it blocks a particular enzyme to trap blood in the tissue, but it doesn't solve the underlying condition. In fact, it even makes things worse. You start to feel headaches because now blood is not moving to the brain, blurred vision, and your heart starts to beat faster. All because the Viagra is trapping blood in your penis without solving the actual problem. To fix the erectile dysfunction forever, you have to see this as a hydraulic event. Your heart is the pump pushing the blood, and your blood vessels are the pipes leading to your tissue. So it's very simple. Anything that harms the pump or damages the pipe will destroy the flow and put you at risk of erectile dysfunction. Think about high blood sugar, excessive caffeine and energy drinks, obesity, alcohol, inactivity, smoking. If your heart is weak and the blood vessels are narrow, no pill in the world will be able to fix the underlying decay. But what if I told you that there is this specific substance which changes the whole mechanism? It improves the pumping action of the heart while simultaneously providing nitric oxide to open up the blood vessels and fixes the whole problem. Unlike Viagra, this substance doesn't just trap blood in your tissue, it restores the entire circulation. And this one ingredient is scientifically proven to lower your blood pressure, improve your stamina, boost your immunity, speed up recovery from injuries, reduce infections, and most importantly, improve blood flow to your brain. So there are no headaches, no blurred vision, heart beats normally, because now the system is finally working the way it is designed to work. This substance is sitting right there on the pharmacy shelf. Your doctors know about it. The drug companies know about it. You can even find it in the food that you eat. But in a $100 billion industry, nobody is telling you about it because there is no money in a permanent fix. Let me review the substance, the ingredient which works better than Viagra. L-Arginine. This is not a synthetic drug. It's actually an essential amino acid which your body uses to build proteins, but its most critical job is to serve as a direct building block for nitric oxide. When you walk into the pharmacy or when you look on the internet, you'll find different forms of it. You have L-Arginine base or the hydrochloride, which usually comes as a powder in a sachet to be dissolved in a cool water or as a powder in a capsule form. You have the L-Arginine ketoglutarate, which is usually used by athletes for better performance. Most importantly, the timed release L-Arginine tablets, which is what you need. Excellent for maintaining 24/7 blood flow as they release the amino acids slowly and continuously into your system. For fixing your erectile dysfunction and your vascular health, research recommend a specific dose. Most studies look at a range of about 2.5 grams to 6 grams of the L-Arginine per day. When do you have to take it? Because L-Arginine has a short half-life in the blood, it is often best to split the daily dose into two. One in the morning for your daily circulation, one in the evening. But you don't have to wait till you get the supplement. You can start your L-Arginine supplementation right now with your diet. I've already done a video on food rich in L-Arginine. I'm sure the link should be somewhere right here. But as a quick recap, watermelon, pumpkin seeds, walnuts, red meat, poultry, and legumes are rich sources of L-Arginine. However, getting 6 grams of L-Arginine every single day from your food will be very difficult. To hit the forever fix level, you need high purity pharmacist vectored supplement. I've personally selected a specific L-Arginine formulation for my Dr. Leon camp. I've checked the dosage and the effect. Leave a comment for the specific protocol I recommend for my patients. Now listen closely. I already told you there are two real reasons why you have this erection problem: blood flow and your hormones. Even though for most people the situation has to do with blood flow, but what about the few number of people whose situation is as a result of testosterone? For those people, they've actually tested and their lab result is saying their testosterone levels are low. Don't worry, I've already done a deep dive video on how to skyrocket your testosterone naturally to fix that side of the erectile dysfunction. I talked about food rich in those 5 nutrients your body uses to build the testosterone and the habits that you have to adapt or you have to stop if you want to boost your testosterone. I'll put that video right here on the screen for you. Click on it. I'll see you there.